I told you it's simple as simple. You don't comply. Huh?
Morocco embassy
le beje say isa fone ko tax force na le ko ali mi lo sno ko ndenting ñi mbetu amante le ko rakon ate mi kay ndeng ni ndo fone ko ndenting gens la solo
jang ya rentle
mu ko la foy idol comme dia just only occupy the space aman kita ko di but min tam space te wala responsibility lam morally prime bundi jam nama bundi ndo bi ba bundi la andi ni ba bundi la we make so put in camera aya ko ma la camera
somebody nga secretary command na
okay come on now please yeah Morocco embassy good we are task force members for operation clear the route we are said trying to rid away with the structures that are illegally encroached into the roads. So our problem here is this pavement we create here. It is part of the road. But as for the old gentleman here, the security officer said, the owner of the properties was the one who put this here. So we are now relaying into you. Maybe you can inform him that these people came here. They said these things should be out from the road. Because imagine, even me and you shall not understand it. How he occupied here. If his owner neighbor also occupied this space here, there will be no road here. So the passerby cannot have access to move here. So for that being the case, we are kindly requesting you, through you, to ask the owner to take it out. And it has to be within 24 hours. Failure which, there are other consequences attached to that. Yes. And hence...
The ambassador right now, he's not around.
Okay.
Yes, I have to talk with him. Because I talk with him and come to you.
Okay. Normally we give 24 hours. 24 hours.
Okay, I will talk to
you. Yes. And we're going to provoke part of it so that they can know that we come here. Okay. Yes, thank you. Okay. Right, yeah. I cannot speak French or English or Arabic with him. If I could lure him from Toledo, what the law tell us to do is, it is inside. We're going to write and follow the protocols. But this is outside. Nobody have any legal authorities to put anything on this road here. That's our stand here. Let him understand that, please, huh? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, come here.
Yeah, Jan.
Yeah, yeah.
It's okay.
No, so.
Mira, apa kayak nita?
Okay. Saya sambul.
Horrible. Okay, sir, thank you. Aha. Mundo apa? Kay, come here. Kay, jambondi. Uncle, come here, please.
Billahi da masu yawa ita rubuta yau.
Hello, sister. Hello. How are you? How are you? Thank you. You want to see business here? So please look for a place and transfer all everything, the structure there. We will only give you 24 hours. That's tomorrow. We don't want to come and meet any structure here. Please, huh? Call for a carpenter. Don't come and remove all the structures. Look for a place better than here, and you transfer your business there, please, huh? All right, thank you. But I'm not going to file. Okay, let's go.
Ale mundol. Ala fa na ndol la fa dem fa mo bebe mo ko kankuran jambanda.
mo kol bang ha hay na ala fala wala do nebe sama fu ila bo sa fay ko sama hamuro kili mo naf ka tren slo khanja ake sama mundo ko to jam ngara fen tele sama de okay foto sila
Iya na talo re.
bo mislo mundo
Ya ba na ba ka ko janyu bebe janyu.
ani mbada ni do man kreata boyla Muna ba kono yo ha ira su ko mbala la tabul bondi jam ale ta marché ni yamoy ale fido ko je mo sam la fido ya no stop la yamoy please na mani yamoy yes please yes ale jala ñundi muna ba kono buje Bukan boje. Boy, ini kenapa dia boy? Malam so. Na parawe minti wala ko. Silakan firo sa mo stop ka avoid. So aldo da ni am ko is comfortable. Amanda silakan alni mo ñu so da minna. Ala si yalla firo kadi mo ma fa akala firo kadi. Ko ka sis silakan problème. Wolun dan tradre be sifil yamoy. Sa no la ngi na table lo ni am ko sifil ko da mi am ka sifil yamoy. Please, normalement ni yamoy.
But also also be la pour saman sa bodin fon e
banim bakale mba provoke la
provoke nyaadi
kadula linteji kasani ko na fen sini ke saw ni natne man comply na fu yi arrest
non mba bon mbala feto pour nga bondi with no problem
ah mbar ya provoke
ne boss fa ya pour a bon na ba ko ali maybe
ñim fenzo jalo ko ja ñim fenzo jalo ko ji so afay ni mbata afay move tableau ni and ka move inside a bit to slow obstruction ni but hence comme ni ala mi ñu dive is fine so bagas li be tal dron ni final ni wala la wala dum ko to e tableau nya pousse mo dinga sini le karlo kamo problème tal inshallah bagas ni gora ha yamo yo allahumma amin galbi ja okay so sam mo wona ko di okay muna ka jijal It's okay now?
No, it's not.
Hope the body is not finished.
I don't even know. Who's the one of this one?
Let me check first.
Tamajiro le Michael be
Maybe. So, amon ka jamba. Ani ko, abia fala tan.
Hey, algo como bala.
Sorry. Abidal. Voilà, de voilà faut le ni ba do fu ni ba do alu di wa Okay. Let's come here, please. Brother, is our body on us? Capital Kumana Sunday is okay. Sorry. No. Huh? Is it part of your property? It is not part of your property. Yes or no? What I'm saying, is this house part of your property?
Part of the compound.
No, it is not. What I'm saying, is this house part of your compound here?
Yes. Yes.
It is not.
From there to here.
To where? From where to where? It stops here. Where does it stop?
This one back.
Come on, let me show you something here. Where? This is part of your property, my brother. Come and see. Do you know what is here?
Yes. This one before you making this, after you making this.
Good.
So after the one you making after you making, he say you making pipe anytime you want to do everything.
That's why
Take this.
That's why I said this can be part of your property because there's a pipe that runs from this end. Not so. Why does it run? This end or this end?
This pipe.
Yes.
It goes
How about this other end?
there.
Uh-huh. Like this.
Like this. After it goes.
So why are you putting this corrugate here on the pipe?
No, this
On top
one,
of the pipe?
no pipe will be here. But that before you put in this one, the copper people you come here you want to
Build.
that's why you making this.
That's why we are saying you should not put any structure on top of the pipe because if not, maybe you know it. But if I should come tomorrow, I don't know it. I can come and put a permanent structure on the pipe that can bring disaster in future. That's why I said this part of the structure here needs to be moved bit inside. That's one. Come here again. Also look at here. You see the high tension line on top? You see? Yes. That's why I said this part of the structure here shouldn't be here. Come on, let me help you. So if you are telling me from there up to here is all part of the structure, what is here inside? Here, this cricket house.
No, this one you making like a something there. No sleeping there.
Ni okay, we are bandero. Ele move on. And jamu on organize the knowledge. What is here?
This one you put the fish, dry fish.
As store.
Yes. Like the place you cook. No do anything. You only sleeping there.
You sleep here?
This one.
This one.
Yes.
What is here?
This one. The same house.
So which means that even that building is part of this compound here.
Yes. The same, but you know making anything.
So I have a lot of
You don't
issues with
see
you.
this one.
No, this one is census. I know this very well. No, if they come, they will only want to know number of structures in your compound. Now we are telling you, as far as the task force is concerned, structures that we understand has encouraged on the road reserve is what we are already factoring in. But health-wise also, we will not allow you to put any structure on our main pipe.
Okay.
That's 2. 3, the high tension line cannot be in your property. So if you are saying your property come out of this end, look at the high tension line now.
Okay.
It passed over your structure. So in case in future, you happen to be a millionaire now, you want to be a story building here, how can you do it?
The time you making wood.
What?
The time you making wood. He broken this one. After he said this one, he leave this one to sleep.
To sleep?
If you blocking this also, the person he did there, you know, get anywhere to place. That's why he leave this one.
No.
So now, he say, only this one, you know, making stop with only this one. That's why he
Yes. You are taking off where to sleep. We are telling you the health part of it. We are telling you the risk aspect of it. If you should put or sleep under the high tension line, so in case there's any issue. Now, before you think of sleeping now, you think of your own life, not so. This is the point now. So we try and take this quiet house here. It's not proper. Huh? We remove everything here right now. We're going to demolish it.
only today or
Today. You understand? And this is also a very critical junction hole also. If vehicles are coming from this end, they have to see what is happening here before they join. If vehicles are also coming here, they should be able to see what is happening here before they pass. So if you stand here, the view from this other end, this house here is blocking everything. So these are factors that we put into consideration. You understand? So do it now. Ask Madam to take all the materials inside. So we try and remove it. If you want now, you can hire a carpenter to come and remove everything gradually, so that you can reuse the materials again. Because if we happen to do it, we do it how we want it. We take hammers, strike, destroy everything. Maybe perhaps you cannot even use the materials anymore again. So if you are going to comply, we only give you 24 hours that you're going to comply. You do it of your own. But if you say you're going to comply and you come here tomorrow, you don't comply, they effect arrest on you. They take you, they put you before the court, they charge you. You agreed? Thank you. So we're going to provoke it now, then the rest of the work you do it of your own. Hire a carpenter, let him come and take everything out. Huh? Thank you. And this part of your fence also, move it a bit inside so that it is not on the pipe. You understand? So in case in future, maybe if you are not here, your children are here, they may not know it, and they come and put a house on it. When it is burst under, the whole structure is coming down.
so this one if you block it, I making here small or
If you have space inside, you can put it there. You have no problem. But we want to also block the view from this other end. This is a very critical junction. You understand? If vehicles are coming from each angles, they can be able to see what is happening from both sides. You understand? Thank you. Is it enough? Yeah, it's okay. Sir? So please, as we agreed, All right, thank you. Do you understand that this building here is not part of this property?
No, I don't understand.
You don't understand that? Tell the common owners, Operation Cloud Road, come here. Then they said, this part of the building here has to be demolished. It's not part of your compound, huh?
Okay.
Come. Even this building here is not part of this property.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Everything here has to be cleared. All this house should be demolished. And we only give him 24 hours. That is today and tomorrow. He has to come and remove everything in the roof and take all these attachments out. It's not part of his property. This is a very critical junction. It should be very open and wide enough
Okay, sir.
to be able to monitor the traffic flow of the area. You understand?
Okay.
So tell him that this one here should be out. This alignment here should be out. It's a part of his property, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very
So we are going to provoke part of this building here, so that if you come, you know that it should not be here. Yeah, let's provoke this one.
Yeah, they are troubling people. KI is troubling people.
This junction is very critical. If you are coming in from this end, you have to be able to see what is happening around. But they can't close everything. How? It's a connection. Paul, boy, inside here, I move inside. I was listening to it's very close to the road. Let him go inside, please. Right now.
Wow. Kaya nyo lang nilagay ba ng banda? Ay,
Boy.
Sorry, sir. You know, yeah. Okay. No! I told you, it's simple as simple. You don't comply. No, I can't the boss go. Now the Nanas boss, Jan Kama. Jan Kama. Even if I say it's mixing. Yeah.
dafa mérite nga liggéey sa place ñëw di ko daane neexut de parce que nga li ñun ñoo ko liggéey at least suñ waree ñëw ba ñu fi génnee sax ñu toog dañ ko xam ne ni foofu la ñu mën a nekk waaye defuñ loolu noonu dara dañ toog ñu ko daane te ñun fii la ñoo sutur la di dundal suñ boppay ak suñu yaay instant nga ñu doomi Gambie leen fii lañ yaakaar fii la ñoo fajal suñu soxla lii dafa ñaaw torop rafetu dara ñun rafetlu wuñ ko ñoom
waaye ñoom defoon nañ sensitisation ne dinañ fi ñëw
non
bitig bu nekk si yoon wala yéen déggu leen woon loolu
non
waxuñ leen woon ne ngeen war a jógee
nga ñëw rek ka di daane li
yow fii nga am bitig waaw léegi comme daaxa nañ leen fii nag yow luy sa plan léegi loo plan ma ne comme luy sa move loo plan léegi comme daaxa nañ leen fii léegi
ma dara ma plan because suñu la génnee
Hey, bro.
ma feneen fu ma dem fan laa amee beneen ma dara lu ma def
loo dee jaay
yére laay jaay ak daal façon sa façon
ñaata at yaa ngay jaay fii
since 2013 maa ngi fi laa nekk di sutur la
léegi luy sa gis-gis si ñi seen liggéey bi opération bi
non definitely liggéey bi moom because ñu ko toj ni waxuñ la luñ ko def at the end of the day waxuñ la dara ñëw rek di daaneel xam nga koo xam ne ni yow yaa ko liggéey boo ko doon liggéey kenn demaliwul la ñu ñëw rek di ko daaneel waxuñ la dara yoo xam ne dañ ko seetu daal definitely kii moom definitely man rafetlu ma ko daal non so nit ki soo ko yaaxale dara ko war ko jox nit ki génnal fi ko nu dis bés sangam dinaa ñëw génneel sa bagage au soo ñëwee nga defa moom ndànk-ndànk ñëw rek xoolal parce que maa ngi dal bagage yi jàmbur yaa ngi koo daane soo yaaxee bagage bi doo ko gënoon a fay ko ni luñ fi yaaxa wala luñ fi sànni tamit who is responsible kenn doo mën a wax kenn xam nga at least ñun yëpp doomi dëkk bi la neen defante ndànk-ndànk ñun fii la ñoo liggéey dafa si turlaw lii nii government sampaluñu ko kenn sampaluñu ko ñun ñoo ko sampal suñu kaw soo at least soo ñëwee di ko yaaxasa nga am pese mbaa nga xam ni ko defee nit ki tabax alalam liggéey fa ñaata at suñ 2013 ba léegi dafa ñaaw ñun expecté guñu woon lii nii ne government bi danañ def lii definitely dafa ñaaw trop sax imagine lii léegi ñun fu ñoo dem fu ñoo jëlee beneen place ñoo samba suñu liggéey fu ñu ko amee amuñ ko fenn amuñ ko defee
noo tudd sorry tur bi noo tudd
man Ibrahima Top laa
Ibrahima Top jërëjëf
tey ba suba nga jël 24 hours nga tegi jëlee fii sa bagage yi jaagil seen collègue fii nga dem uti place fu nga mën a nekk dégg nga defe nga la jëlee sa bagage yi nga nekk ñun da nga bon a ñu daal di ko ñu bàyyi leen ëllëg tey ba ëllëg la ñëw daanaka ci seen boppa jaagil seen collègue nga la yóbbu ah Halo, Wali, lama fa nekk. Jëlee bagage. ok léegi na nga ko provoqué ñu boole ko ñu may la tey ba suba nga ñëw di kafenda mu daal ko yëpp day daal li yëpp fii nga dem di place nga xam ne baax na si yow nga ñëw jël ko de yóbbu ko fa dégg nga waaw.
Asalaamaaleykum sëñ bi naa def yow yaa moom place bi.
waaw maa moom place bi waaw.
waaw yow ñii ndax yëgaloon nañ la seen ñëw fii balaa tey.
non ñun moom man tey rek laa ko yëg wax dëgg lii daal laa ko yëg ma gis jékki-jékki gars yi daane soo bala ñu agsi sama paak sama bagage waaw lii laa ko gis daal tey daal laa ko yëg.
ok loo fi dee jaay.
ah
loo fi dee jaay ay mobile. waaw léegi yow nga ne ay mobile ngay jaay fii.
waaw man mobile laay jaay.
léegi démolition bii nii maanaam li ñuy dox di daaneel place yi jàmbur yi ak seen bitig yi loolu si sa gis-gis.
ah loolu moom nii lañ ko gis rek dañuy xam ne nguur moo soxla te nguur moom lu mu soxla moom ñun ay citoyen rek dañ koy nangu waaw because lii nguur rek moo am doole ñu moo ko sañ loolu foog ñu ànd si daal loolu lañ gis.
waaw léegi yéen moom léegi comme daaxaan nañ leen fii léegi lan mooy sa jubluwaay loo plan.
plan bi moom xanaa ñu xool rek ñu amee feneen suñu jëm ñu travaillé ñu dem foofu suñu amute ñu xam ne wax dëgg yàlla fii moomuñu ko rek waaw dañ ñoo joxoon ñu nekk fi rek comme ko soxla waaw dañ ko delluwaat ñu ànd si rek dëgg fa yàlla.
da nga fi doon luwaas.
parce que fii waaw fii nag ñu ngi doon fay 2005 vers 2005.
luwaas la.
luwaas waaw.
comme karo quoi karo.
tur bi. tur bi sa tur bi.
Modou la
Modou. Modou naka.
Modou Sène.
tere ma lan ko am.
jërëjëf.
so kulu ngam tan bulu kuma mais tere ma na ko ben ka ke janam ba parce que man sa solda mun na ala ko namba ah ndey da mira ko na parce que nga fongo la mayo no xam nga ah ni fongo dara bala na da xam nga bato kulu mo don nada nda ko ale fongo be wajé ha ko fongo be ko ni jam ko wonde wo nyam ah kata ni hakilo la be kilo la ya moy amanya la kilo la amanya la stembo la ya moy ala parce que man sa solda mun na ko wala ko wonde ayo ala barakatan ala barakatan bay lu ma fu songo Sarap, yobul sarap. Yobul.
Man, mambaay na la coono.
You don't comply, or you better take it down. You comply. That will be our next option now. The government.
Let me tell you, what I mean, before coming here, I think you have to make your own survey. Before and where's the money you're paying for petrol station? You understand? Anyway, some surprise with the nigga signboard while I'm also Nanga. Understand? For 4 money on the base.
Okay. Yeah, Walunga for.
Silimo for one.
Wow. Good. The point here is, if you have been given a property, you know where your property starts and where it ends. That's one. Two, because since 3 months ago, they give you notice that all those people in the road reserve should fly and forgive. You don't comply. You understand? Now you come other institution, we give you that privilege that because some of these things have some they are very sensitive. We cannot just come and take them out. We just provoke it. We allow you to do the rest. But if you are not complying, we will left with no option just to act. That's going to be our problem. You understand? Because I know this place very well. Your property is on this corner. That corner. So this is only road. This is only road. Therefore, this is the right. Please, sir. Okay, thank you.
Defend knowledge, but you know, defend knowledge because the ball would get ah, abe silo la kam effectivement baren ko be say min to nya man silo ma man silo ka ko jana kada ko temma ko na man silo ma ba ko mi to li yalla fa ka be silo la kam ha no ya right shot la man silo la ma right na priya boy ko ya boy ka bo jana kada ko temma ko na be to le do ko la kita gara sol be jang Today, man will be young. Today, man will be everything. Kabujan Kadapa Tanji, more more than the show the phone for the Canadian.
But I told you, Mumfo, you go from a lot of friends or go friends or
yes, Kabujan Kadapa Tanji. If I calculate, wait after the map, I give him. So, the calculation I give it.
By Drogo Femo Fembe Fenso Bala, Fintan Bantala, Obey and Tabola.
Okay, you all of you, for now, saying the Kabira for your Mambala. Because Masana, any more Masas than your Sabanola and Apollo. Never again. So I left to be the colleague. When I'm going to Kabira, we are taking the Fenola. So for us, I mean, you know, what I mean, the Kaime from Simple, Abana and Rodamali. Yes, I am see for Toya, Mamma, because I never will an acid. Tolle balu la ba mum tolle wala gende ngam me ciol karane ko ngam ciol karam non ciol karane me ciol la so me ciol ni ba do mu ndole min dole wala musilol kat ko sambo tan mi ala ko se ko tumul woy minna wala sa place on lewul nit kan tumul mi ala ko bisilo ko jam modan dat ni go ba lu wala mo ne tabi mo 100 ci te tabi kam e tonni sama ko no 150,000 ikame jo itala de man 400 ci ikame so ci lo ni mo lu no la nyaadile Yale ka calculate the carbon Tanya all kind we need to push all for the mine ka ji ne ko ha yin ja ko mo do ko ko mala keya de temin do ko la de temin ya ko ite do ko bonde
okay ban mi ne ko mi ne ya boko mi ya te bin ke ko ko so wan dis ko so ni ate ko ni ya to bulaje so ye do be se ke ye bo de kamel ko do ko
ani asidia socialo baren kamin ko mala be ka on sa wala min diko do mi yala ko ya fate ka bo wala kana ya ka ko da mi kana la diko ma hajibe ta ko da mala ko ko ni hakilo ma ni jero bonde ni mo la de ka la jana mo da fo fe tambe da bar butum kabe da ya jibe wala jibe da ko ka ko ni anyata ka bo wala ni ya bo
ko di ma ko
ni ta fe dangi